Hey guys, welcome back to Twisted Torque Garage. I'm AJ.
I'm Trey.
And today we have for you the rest of the teardown of the new motor. We're going to get the turbo off, we're going to get the valve cover off, and we're going to get the timing cover off just to check timing, turn the motor over a couple times, and like I showed you in the previous video, that the valves are corroded with
Carbon buildup.
yeah, carbon buildup. Long day. With carbon buildup, so we're gonna prepare to clean those valves off. So in the next video, you'll see the process of what it takes to clean carbon off your valve if you have a direct injected vehicle. The way I like to do it, I've done it before on my original motor. It worked out fine, and so stay tuned. Put it back.
Damn, Cage, that shit fire.
Let's get this turbo off. We're gonna get the turbo off, baby.
We only got one hose on, I believe.
You wanna let's lift it up and turn it so I can get you. Yeah. How was your day today, Trey?
It's okay. Kind of slow work. How was your day?
It was alright. Slow.
The valve cover can't come off until the chain is off.
Why?
I might be able to get back there on that one bolt.
Oh, yeah. Well, let's sit it down so we can like sit it down good, I guess, so we can get that chain off so it doesn't move. Nope. I guess not.
It doesn't sit.
I guess not.
Lift it up now.
We don't have an engine stand yet. One day we will. No, let it go. Let it go.
Hanging off the edge.
No, you're good. You're good. Yeah. I want to put some tension on it for now.
I gotta take that chain off right
I
now.
know. But this is still good. Matt, it just fell over.
That's so. Push on.
So guys, for the timing mark for the exhaust side of the motor, we're on the crank pulley, and right here we had marked because there's a little notch in the pulley itself that should line up with this indicator on the cover for the timing belt. It took forever for us to figure out that the first time, but I wanted you guys to see that. And then there's another timing mark up here on the gear right here. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. That should line up right there when we're at top dead center. So Trey's going to spin the motor and try to line the lines up and make sure we're in timing. You got compression. You want a bigger ratchet, bro?
No, I'm good. Mark that.
Where's the marker?
Oh yeah, it's right on.
Huh? We're right on? Yeah, we're right on timing. So that's how you find, let me spin this around. That's how you find a top dead center timing mark on a 2.0 FSI turbo engine. So we got the valve cover off, turbos off. Now if we look in here, everything actually is pretty good. On our original motor, you guys check out our Instagram, I posted a picture. I think right about here we had a fracture in our exhaust cam. I'll probably put a clip in it so you guys can see what it looks like. No bueno. But everything looks good up here so far. Actually, you want to spin the motor again so we can see everything moving around?
You just want me to just spin it?
Yeah, just spin it. You already know it's on timer. Ouch, my thumb. Shh. Quiet. This mic picks up a lot. I really wish you would get a bigger ratchet, bro. The compression's serious, huh? Getting your gains in?
Gains.
Everything's moving nicely. Everything's lubricated nicely. So, yeah. Now with that being said, oh, I need a flashlight. Ooh. That's it. See if we can get in here. We gotta get a better light than this because it's too bright. It's hard to get a good angle with the light and see down in there. Pretty much, I just wanted to show you how bad the exhaust ports look with carbon buildup. You guys can see that there. The valves don't look too bad, they're just coated. Just take my word for it. We come over this side to the old motor. This is the intake side. God. Oh, there we go. This is the intake side. And this is probably, what, 1,000? No, not 1,000. I would say 4,000 or 5,000 miles.
Yeah, about 4,000 or 5,000 miles.
After I did the carb clean. So it was not too bad. And just recently, I cleaned up the exhaust side. Not as much buildup, but it's there. But a lot better than what we have in our newish motor. So like I said before, we're gonna be cleaning those ports up and getting it ready to start putting things on. Once that's cleaned up, we can start putting our injectors in. We can put in our new spark plugs we got. We got upgraded spark plugs, not sure exactly what they are. We actually have a part number box somewhere. Maybe, do we?
I'm not sure.
If we do, I definitely will share the part number with spark plugs we got. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today, honestly. We're gonna let the seafoam sit inside the ports, and Sunday we're probably gonna clean them all up, and we'll see you then. All right. Say goodbye, Trey.
Have a good night.
Have a good night, guys.